Hi guys, welcome to another video on our YouTube channel here at Flooring Surgeons. Today we're gonna walk you and talk you through fitting of an engineered wood floor. So this particular floor is a herringbone pattern. Now with every pack that you purchase, you get a mixture of A and B boards in every pack. So it's like a male-female fitting. In today's episode, you're going to require only a few tools. So you're going to need a trowel. That's just to spread the adhesive, which is being adhered directly onto the subfloor. So this is a glue down method for an engineered herringbone floor. And then as you can see, you can use a mallet. Once the adhesive is spread on the subfloor, then every plank is slot into place pretty easy, but some do need a bit of assistance, so that you can use a mallet to just get it right in so the grooves fit nicely, the tongue and groove, and you just continue along. So this particular customer or this particular house, you can see there's a mixture of concrete and a plywood subfloor, but again it's still the same principle. We're still spreading the adhesive and sliding each block by block. We're using the travel notch just to spread the glue here, as you can see, so we can make sure that we cover the full surface area, so the glue and the adhesive has good contact with the back of the herringbone engineered floor. Now, because we're covering less surface area per block with herringbone floors, we do recommend that you go for a glue down method where you can, just so it's nice and secure. Okay, voila, and this is the result. There you go, that's the end result, finished. We still got the left bit of the room to get onto, but we'll get onto that later.